So on a fun day where you want to accessorize your braids, scarves are always a go-to. There's obviously very many ways to tie a scarf, and we are going to get a little innovative with the way we do this one. So as you can see, I've just taken the scarf that's been folded, and now I'm going to create like a secure knot in the back. We love to be able to accentuate with our ends, so that's where we're going to make a really fun twist. I just want to make sure that the dimensions of each rope and twist that you're having is similar. So we see how we get to a place where we've got one end longer than the other, and that's where we'll go to as far as we can and then make a knot. Just like that. We have our exclusive elite designer scarf that has complemented our outfit, and she's ready for whatever event she decides to go to.